How to delete YouTube Shorts on laptop PC. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, to be able to delete a YouTube short from your channel, it is going to be very easy. First things first, let's view our channel over here to make sure that we have some YouTube Shorts. As you can see, it is under Shorts as you can see here. And to be able to delete this, simply click on Manage Videos first. We will be redirected to the YouTube Creator Studio, as you can see here. And this is a page basically where you will be able to manage your different channel content. As you can see, I have videos and shorts over here. Select your shorts, and over here, simply select the video that you want to delete. For example, this one. Simply click on the three dots, click on Delete Forever. Click on I understand that deleting is permanent and can't be undone. Then click on Delete Forever. And just like that, I have successfully deleted a YouTube short from our channel. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.